Hi everyone, it's Ashton from Promevo TV. Today we'll be replacing the screen on the Asus C202. Just as a heads up, in order to make repairing this device easy and to avoid voiding your warranty, you must be certified in the Asus ASP Self-Maintainer program. For this repair process, you'll need a screwdriver and a pry tool. After prying open the keyboard, remove the keyboard ribbon and the trackpad ribbon. Once the keyboard ribbon and the trackpad ribbon have been removed, you can remove the keyboard. Remove the yellow tape on the opposite ends of the flexible flat cable covering the thermal module. Disconnect the cable from the motherboard and the daughter board and remove it. After the flexible cable has been removed, unscrew the thermal module. Then remove the 4 screws that secure the thermal module in place. Once it has been unscrewed, remove the thermal module. Remove the 6 screws that secure the battery in place. Once the battery has been unscrewed, disconnect the cable connection from the battery. Remove the battery. Remove the 2 screws from the daughter board. Remove the daughter board. Detach the antenna from the wireless card and make a note from the attachment of each antenna. Unscrew the wireless card, remove the wireless card, move to the bottom left corner of the Asus Chromebook, unscrew the left sound card, remove the left sound card and cable, disconnect the sound card cable from the motherboard. Follow the cable to the speaker on the opposite side and remove it as well. Remove the electrical tape from the left speaker cable. Remove the speaker cable. Remove the 4 remaining screws from the motherboard. Remove the motherboard. And then remove the screws that are securing the screen in place. Set the screen at a 90-degree angle. Remove the entire screen assembly with the wiring by lifting gently from the bottom case. Now that the defective screen has been removed, you can replace it with your working screen. Replace the screen by having the hinges at a 90-degree angle and securing the hinge to the bottom casing. Replace the motherboard. Secure the motherboard in place. Replace the screws from the motherboard. Reattach the left speaker cable and secure the electrical tape. Replace the wireless card. Secure the wireless card. Reattach the antenna to the wireless card and note that the antenna have 2 separate places to attach. Replace the left and right sound cards. Reattach the sound card cable to the bottom of the case. Replug the left sound card back into the motherboard. Secure the left sound card by screwing it into the motherboard. Replace the battery and connect the battery cable back into the motherboard. Screw the battery screws back in place. Replace the daughter board. Replace the 2 screws on the daughter board. Replace the thermal module. Secure the thermal module in place by screwing the 4 screws back in. Replace the flat cable. Grab your keyboard, reattach the keyboard ribbon and the trackpad ribbon. Once it has been connected, carefully replace the keyboard. Next, you'll snap in the keyboard cover. Screw the 10 screws back into the Asus Chromebook and replace the 2 rubber screw caps. Now you can power your device back on. Congratulations on your newly repaired device. For questions, please reach out to support@promevo.com or see the description below. Get all of your Chrome and Chromebook needs at shop.promevo.com today. Thanks for watching today. If you'd like to see more repair videos on the Asus C202, click any of the links above. And if you'd like to see more videos from Promevo, be sure to subscribe.